vakten samen zo propos. Als je dit opneemt, zit ik daar, duur.
Hello, my beautiful flower friends. Again, it has been a while, so I hope that this new video finds you well. I've been diving into a lot of business/personal development resources because I am currently working towards a goal of bringing in $2,000 a month from my creative business. In the pursuit of this goal, lots of questions have come up that I ask myself over and over again. And when I ask myself these questions, I'm thinking that the answer has to be final and set in stone. Questions like, what do I want to be known for? What's my purpose in life? What's my creative style? You know, these questions are huge. And every time these questions come up, I just end up ignoring them and I feel lost again because there's just so much pressure to these answers. Now I'm trying to reframe the questions so that I take the pressure off of figuring out the big answers. And instead, I'm asking myself, what do I enjoy doing now? What brings me fulfillment or happiness at this point of my life? And I feel like the simple reframe gives me permission to enjoy the process of finding these answers. If you take a look at the work that I've been doing, you can probably see that for a certain period of time, I wanted to fully commit to being a pressed flower artist. I wanted to fully commit to being a wedding stationery designer. I wanted to fully commit to being a brand and web designer. I can start these projects and these new roles very easily, but once I start slipping into that mindset that this is something that I have to fully commit to, that's when things start falling apart. I felt like I was locking myself into something and ultimately denying myself the important and valuable mindset of just exploring. When building a business, I know that your why is very important. And I hear a lot that your why has to extend beyond you. And I think that's true once you get to a certain point of the journey. And I'm not there yet. So for me, my why is to uncover my voice and move little by little every day towards something, whether that be improvement or just having fun with creative projects or just learning a little bit about myself. So I really am going to dig deep into this theme of exploring inspiration. This is a reminder to myself that life isn't about having all the answers. It's about the discoveries and the meaningful moments that are found while living it. If there was a way to think my life into clarity, I would have already found it from how much I overthink. I honestly just have to start somewhere. So I'm starting from here and I'm starting again. If you're on this journey too, I hope this video gives you a little comfort to know that you are not alone. And as always, happy creating. Enjoy the process. I will see you next time. Bye!